Hello, my name is Hugo Barona and welcome to my course Power Platform Getting Started. This course takes you on a journey through the basics of Power Platform, and it is for those who are looking to get started in Power Platform or for those who plan to earn the Power Platform Fundamentals certification badge. In this course, you will learn how to leverage Power Platform to transform your business and improve your team's productivity and business results. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to leverage Power Apps to build enterprise-class applications and how to leverage Power Automate to automate your business process. Also, you will learn how to use Power BI to get insights from your data and business, and how to build intelligent chatbots using the Power Virtual Agents. By the end of this course, you will know the basics you need to get started building your solutions on the Power Platform. I hope you join me on this journey to learn more about Power Platform with the Power Platform Getting Started course at Pluralsight.